Do you want to improve your garden? Invite natural pollinators into your yard.
Well, what's a pollinator?
A pollinator is an animal or insect that carries pollen from one plant to another, creating new plants.
How will a pollinator help my garden?
Natural pollinators work to restore habitats by promoting a healthier environment and enhancing biodiversity. Inviting pollinators will also help pollinators at risk for extinction. They come in all shapes and sizes, and are crucial to the health of our environment.
Sign me up.
If you want to learn more, use the QR code to visit the Fish and Wildlife Services webpage. Thanks for watching.